Welcome, today in front of me Redmi Note 9 Pro, and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first, just press on the application for a while and drag it to another application by this way. And now, as can you see, you got here the new folder. You can add here one more application if you want by the same way. Just repeat the action. Now if you will here tap, you can rename the folder, for example like apps. Okay, tap to OK, and now as can you see, your folder has renamed successfully. If you wanna remove the application from this folder, just drag it here to your screen. Also, we can move this folder between the screens like this. Also you can take it back if you want. So that's it. If you wanna just ungroup this application from this folder, just repeat the action, drag with your finger here to the main screen, and as can you see, that's gone. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.